DOEACC CCC Welcome to RIIT with Word Processing Part 3. Online contents for course on computer concept. You will learn about elements of word processing part 3. Objective. You will learn about understanding menus, toolbars and icons in MS Word, opening, printing and closing documents, creating and editing text, formatting text using fonts, alignment and indentation, tabulating information. Opening documents. Opening documents on your hard disk. To open a document, follow the given steps. At first, click Open option available in the File menu. Then, if you want to open a document that was saved in a different folder, locate and open the folder. Double-click the document you want to open. Opening a document created in another program. To open a document of a different type, follow the given steps. Click Open option available in the File menu. Click the file format you want in the File type box. You can also type the extension in the file name box. For example, type xtick.doc to find MS Word files. If you want to open a document that was saved in a different folder, locate and open the folder. Click the document you want to open in Word. Click Open option in the Open dialog box. Opening a recently used document. You can edit new document as you type them or existing documents you have already saved. To edit an existing document, you must first open it or recall it from the disk. Word makes it easy to open the last two documents you opened or created and saved. To open a recently used document, follow the given steps. Select File menu at the bottom of the File menu. Word lists the last two documents you work on as shown in figure. If the document is not in the current directory, the complete path will be shown with the file name. Click on the name of the file you want to open or press the number next to the file name. Closing a document. To close a document, follow the given step. Click on the File menu from the menu bar. Then click on the Close option in the File menu to close the document. It will remove the document from the document window if the document was changed after last save. it will prompt to save the changes. Quitting Word. When you have finished using Word, you will like to exit the MS Word application and return to the desktop. You can save a document and exit Word using a single dialog box. To exit Word, select the File menu, then click on the Exit option in the File menu. Note: if you made any changes to document since you last saved it, a dialog box will appear asking if you want to save the document before closing. Select Yes to save the document, No not to save it, or Cancel to remain in Word. Save and Save as options. Save a document with Save button. To quickly save a document, click Save button on the standard toolbar. To save a document in a different location or with a different name, use the Save As option instead. Save a document with Save option in a File menu. When you save a document for the first time, you must give it a name. Document name can be up to 25 to 255 characters long. It can contain uppercase and lowercase letter space, but cannot contain punctuation other than underscore. File names are not case sensitive. To save your document for the first time, select File, Save As, or File, Save Ctrl S to display the Save As dialog box as shown in the figure. Type a document name. When Word save a document, it automatically adds the extension .doc. If you want to save the file in another directory or another drive, type the complete path along with file name yourself, or open the desired drive and or folder or double clicking it. Select OK. The document name will appear in the title bar. Once you have saved your document, you can save it again by selecting the Save. Ctrl S. To save as dialog box will not appear. Save a copy of a document with Save As option. Open the document you want to make a copy of. The File menu, click Save As. If you want to save the document in a different folder, locate and open the folder. In the file name box, type a new name for the document, click Save. Page setup. The margin and the printed text position on the page can make or spoil the looks of your entire document. That's why you should pay a considerable amount of the attention to this thing. Microsoft Word places all the page setup controls in one convenient place in the page setup dialog box, where you can make all your changes. Steps to open page setup options. From the file menu, select page setup and then double click with your mouse on option like margin paper, size paper, layout to open relevant option and make changes to them. Orientation settings. Paper orientation can be set to horizontal or landscape. The option for the same is available under Paper Size tab of the Page Setup dialog box. The default page orientation in Word is portrait mode. Portrait mode means the page is longer than it is wide. When you are working with chart, you may want to turn the page so the horizontal edge is longer than the vertical edge. Then for this you can use the landscape mode. Changing the margin in the words. You can set the margin top, bottoms, left, right, gutter and the gutter position, orientation, portrait, landscape. Changing the margin in Word. When the page setup dialog box appears, click on the margin tab to change the margin. Word presents you with numerous options for the same. In the top button, left and right selection boxes under the margin section, highlight the entry you would like to change. Enter a new number. You do not need to include for the distance in inches. You want to text to be from the respective edge of the document page. You can also use the arrows to increase or decrease the margin in the increment predefined by Word. The page setup box also gives you option of changing the gutter binding space left on the left hand side of a document in addition to left margin. When setting your margin, please note that most printers require about a half-inch margin all the way around the page to print correctly. If you specify margin outside the printable area of the page, you will receive a warning message then when you attempt to print the document. Previewing a document before printing. Print preview display one or more entire pages at one time. You can adjust the left and right margin and move text up or down on the page. Use print preview to make minor changes to the overall page layout. To print preview, select the file option from the file menu, then click the print preview option. The figure shows a document in print preview display. The mouse pointer will appear as a small magnifying lens. To quickly enlarge a portion of the page, click on the text you want to enlarge. Select close to return to the previous view. Printing of document. Word has many powerful printing features. You can print just the page you are working on a bit of selecting text. A series of selected pages of the whole document. You can print just the odd or even pages or print the document to a file on a disk. Or you can print multiple copies. To print a document, you can use standard toolbar or the file menu. Method 1, standard toolbar. If you want quick copy of your document. The process is easy. Just click the print button on the standard toolbar. It will print the current page. Method 2, File menu. Make sure your printer is turned on and is ready for use. Select File, Print or Ctrl P to display the print dialog box. Select OK. By default, when you give print command, it print current page. You can make any page as current by clicking on it. Print select page or selected range of pages. In order to print a range of pages, you can follow the step given below. On the File menu, click Print. Under Page Range, specify the range of the document you want to print. Under Page Range, specify the range of the document you want to print. If you click Pages, you must also enter the page numbers or page range you want to include or both. Print a portion of the document. Select the portion of the document you want to print. Click Print on the File menu and click Selection. Print more than one copy at a time. For printing more than one copy at a time, you can follow the step given below. On the File menu, click Print. In the number of copy box, enter the number of copy you want to print. Word processing part 3, the end.